Welcome guys to another video. We're making a Hero X Hero video again. Might see why I'm using Orbeez. I finally We're gonna be grinding Windigo.
Cores.
Our friends, his friends joining.
Yeah.
Sure, I'll be your friend. Both of our friends are joining.
Oh, so let's go. Alright, let's go.
Okay. I've been turned down my volume. Yo! Dog, bro, just came. Yeah, guys, we already did basically a quarter of his health. Yo, guys, are you gonna come defeat Windigo or not? Yes! What was I supposed to remind you? Damn, I'm missing? 0.5. Yeah. How? Bro, is our friend gonna come in? Yeah, not the other kind of. Yeah, of course. He's gonna jump. Yeah, he's jumping. He's jumping. No way, bro. No way, bro. Like, no way, bro. Like, yes, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah, boy. Oh, he was fighting the kingdom. I've done most of it. Yeah, I'm gonna go heal. Yeah, I didn't even get a chance.
Quick! He's not.
Lol, lol. Yeah. Yeah, if you go on an umbrella, it won't. The Gengar will, but the human can't. Yo, I bet I can beat you there.
No, dude.
I'm already there. Okay, you're gonna come or not? No, I'm already on top. Yes, I've been fighting. He doesn't know how to join codes. Yo, is Jaden? Yo, is your friend even in the code? Bro, like I'm going high enough, but he still gets to kill me. Like what the? Yeah, press record. Okay, so shh. Yeah. And then once you're there, go to your right, and then you should see codes. The code is 6598. 6598. I'm about to make that to lower. Yeah, I told him. I told him the code. He's not jumping. I repeat, he is not jumping. We're fighting something called wind. What the hell? What the? I died.
I'm level 5. Finally, your size is small, but like.
Where is my thing go?
Because once you get to level 5, you
And then once you're level 10, you're medium. Once you're level 15, you're large. And then once you get You want me to take you? Yeah? Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Why? But he can't, because remember, You have to get the charge ability to at least get something from windigo. Yeah. Fighters usually have to buy everything. That's it? I have 160,000.
You can only get the first ability, which is 5,000.
Someone shot her. She's jumping. I'm gonna go heal. I can't risk it. Who's inside of the station? Yeah, cause I'm a dog, bro. And you're a slave. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, I'll be good. I need help. I died and I didn't get anything. Okay, yeah, and I did all the damage, bro. Like, what? Bro, you barely did any damage and I did all of them and I only get one? Bro, I did 70% of his damage. Yo, I did 70% of his health. You get 2 windigo coins and I only get 1, huh? Bro, I did all the damage, bro.
Hi.
Go invite more people, yo. Go invite more people.
Oh, hello. Hello. Oh, yeah,
Hello?
bro, yeah, bro.
Oh, hold that big ass nigger. The big ass nigger.
How are you still so loud?
Yo, by the way, I'm recording this, so the people might report you to the Discord for saying it's
No, bro. He's gonna get copyrighted, bro. He's gonna get like hit striked.
Yo, you might get voice chat banned or banned in this game because I'm recording. Bro.
Let's play.
Bro, then stop recording and then record again.
No, because my headset's low, and we don't want to redo it.
Yeah, we already got good footage.
Only first take. Steal the window. I'm trying to see where it is. The windigo close. Here, look. See it? Happy now? I'm happy. Yo, Jimmy, bro, get you 5 Wendigo cores out here and put them on the floor.
No. I'm gonna go defeat Angel. No, it's inside your mom's box. Yeah. Shake Sherman.
I didn't know you guys were recording, bro, and this fast movement just not to post it.
After me. Don't go to spawn. Whatever you do not go to
I
spawn.
thought you guys were just doing it dumb.
Over
Here, I'll come help you. Okay, yo, where you at? Grab your guy. Put it right here. We'll drop him. Drop him. There. Now come over here. This one.
Oh, get out.
Okay, now grab your guy again. Transform into him. And then hold your trigger and hold, and then you shoot it. Trigger and hold.
Oh, so I don't have the ultimate wish, huh?
Yeah, you have to get this one. Are y'all killing Angel? I was gonna kill the dog. Where is he at, bro? Where are y'all bringing Angel, bro? Go eat a hamburger. Go eat a hamburger.
No one killed him. No one killed
Bro, my rare cube is in here. Got it.
What?
Oh,
It was inside of the crystal.
Inside the crystal?
Yeah.
Is it still in the crystal?
No, I already got it. You wanna know where it was? Fries, come.
Okay, I'm going
It was inside of here, and I had to go. Yo, do you have your first ability? Yo.
Me?
I don't. I do not. I need 1,000 hits. 500.
Jesus Christ of you.
Bro, you couldn't have even done 2,000 damage.
Jesus Christ of you. Jesus
I'm
Christ of
level 11 on this. I'm level 11.
you. Bro, why are you trying to rage bait a new person, bro? That's actually uncool, bro. I'm good. I'm way too tall.
Oh, he's already low. I just got him, bro.
I'm way too tall, bro, to play it.
No, you're not, nigga. Your store is sitting it, bro.
Bro, my feet don't even reach the ground.
There.
That's why I'm not playing, because my feet don't reach
I
the
got
Bro, the only reason why I don't want to play the soccer game is because my feet don't reach the ground. Wait. All right.